Namaskar. A very warm welcome to the special episode of Legacy of Flow Northeast, a journey of 18 years, countless stories of strength and the visionaries who made it possible. Today we are truly honored to have with us the woman whose pioneering spirit laid the foundation of Flow Northeast. She is a trailblazer whose dedication has inspired countless women across the region and beyond. जहाँ से एक सोच शुरू होती है वहाँ से एक इतिहास लिखा जाता है और आज हम उसी इतिहास के पहले पन्ने से मुलाकात करने जा रहे हैं। ललिता देवी जैन, फाउंडर चेयरपर्सन FICCI Flow Northeast. She had the tenure of 2 years, 2007 to 2009. Lalita ji, most welcome. We are honored and truly privileged to have you over here today.
I'm so happy that I'm glad I'm here.
एक सवाल से शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin with the start. Can you take us back to the time when the idea of forming Flow Northeast chapter first came across your mind and how this journey began?
Actually, I never knew anything about flow. I knew that FICCI exists, but nothing about the flow. One fine day, chairperson of Kolkata, Rajkumari Sehria, called me up that we want to come to Guwahati. I said, most welcome, but she never told me about anything about the flow that time. She and then National President Kiran Gehra and 2-3 other members from Kolkata chapters came. They called me. I think Janvi and Saroj was also there. They talked to us about the flow. Again they came. Next time we called so many people in Dynasty. After that they approached me to take over as a founder chairperson of Northeast. I was very reluctant because it was I was in other organization active, but I knew nothing, I never knew anything about it. So it was something very new to me. So, but my late husband and my brother, they encouraged me. So that you go for it. So I distinctly remember that on 14th September, in the presence of so many dignitaries, Minister, Mr. Prabdut Bordolai, then our National President Kiran Gehra, then Rajkumari Sehria and others members and other members also were there. We started our journey with 30 members.
Okay.
And Vice Chairperson was Janvi Fukan. My secretary was Rita Chhacharia and treasurer was Saroj Khemka.
Okay.
That is how this journey started.
ओके मतलब आपने शुरुआत भी की और इनॉग्रेशन भी करवाई तो मिनिस्टर प्रज्योत बड़ोले से.
मिस्टर
सो उस टाइम के लिए तो काफ़ी बड़ी बात होगी.
बिकॉज इट वाज connected with FICCI.
Okay.
So it was of importance.
Yes. Yeah.
And he gladly accepted our invitation and came forward. Then we had that 2-day workshop also, simultaneously.
Okay. So did you get any training for becoming a chairperson? Because it was inception for the state कि एक बार क्या आपको कोई ऐसी कोई training?
Nothing. मतलब I think it was a learning process for me.
अच्छा.
Slowly and gradually I learned many things during my tenure.
Okay.
So it was a remarkable starting, I think so.
वो तो है ही है जैसे हम सुन रहे हैं तो उस हिसाब से we can assume yes. Coming to the second question, starting something it is very easy. To carry forward it is a real challenge that you might have faced. So what kind of challenge did you face and how did you overcome that?
Not being techno savvy. That was the biggest hurdle that I faced in my tenure. Because that time I don't think so it was their mobile and all the technical this one. So for the small thing that could have been done on email, I had to travel. So it was the biggest hurdle. And slowly and steadily, I accepted the challenge and I overcame it. Then, you know, life is a learning process. So I kept on learning, still I'm learning.
सो मतलब ये सारी रिपोर्ट्स भेजना जो हम आज करते हैं, तो मतलब आपने ये खुद करी हुई हैं या?
नहीं, actually Rita was very, Rita Chevcharia, she really helped me out. She was very efficient secretary. She used to send all these things.
ओके.
And together we used to work together
Okay.
and sit together and do the needful.
अच्छा, मतलब उस टाइम अगर आप देखा जाए तो उस टाइम था चेयरपर्सन, सेक्रेटरी एंड ट्रेजरर.
हाँ.
जैसे इस बार अभी आप देखेंगे तो दे आर
So
टीम ऑफ
many,
7
हाँ,
और 8.
yes, yes,
सो
बस.
मैनेजिंग विद ओनली 3 द टीम,
हाँ,
ये भी एक चैलेंज ही रहा होगा.
very much,
Yeah.
very much. मतलब it was a challenge for me because this was something very new, na. I was not a business lady. I was a social worker, and to get into it and to understand it, it took me some time.
हमारे पास 7 लोगों की टीम है, बट ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ आज भी लगता है इतने कम हाथ हैं कि, और आपने तो 3 से मैनेज किया, तो हमें तो ये सीखने की बात है आपसे.
देखो क्या है, होता है ना कि when you do it ना, जब तुम्हारे ऊपर आता है ना, then you do it.
जी, या
It's like that. तो and I accept challenge.
ओके.
मेरे साथ ये है कि मैं उसको कर लेती हूँ, whatever it comes to me.
दैट्स
So जो सुनने में लगा कि your tenure was one of the initial and you
Yes.
had lot of challenges to face also. So leadership transforms the leader as much as the organization, right? How did Flow shape you both as a leader and as a woman?
Being the founding chairperson of Flow Northeast was a very challenging thing, but a huge responsibility. We were building something from the ground level.
Yes.
And then that taught me so much about resilience, patience, and the power of collaboration. What really shaped me, though, were the connections I made. I got to meet the members from across India, women from such diverse backgrounds, and every conversation added to my learning. So Flow for me became both a platform and a mirror. It pushed me to step up as a leader, to strategize, to inspire, and sometimes to take tough calls. Because it also shaped me personally as a woman who could own her voice
That's nice.
and lead with authenticity. Looking back, I think the biggest takeaway is the leadership. Is that leadership isn't about carrying it all alone. It's about creating a space where others can rise with you.
So when you look at Flow Northeast today and compare it to the day of its inception,
Yes.
what stands out to you the most?
It's growth.
Growth, like what kind of growth? What
We started with 30 members.
Okay, yes.
Now we have got 234 members.
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay?
Yes.
They're young, energetic members, full of ideas,
Yes.
enthusiastic.
Yes,
So it adds to the growth of Flow Northeast.
very true.
And what else? We gave 2 national president. That's the main thing that we have done.
Yes, yes.
से 2 नेशनल
Yes, it's a big thing.
It's a very big thing.
So I'm proud of it.
Of course, you should.
That means कि हम कहीं पे कुछ अच्छा कर ही रहे हैं.
Yes.
And each and every president and the team that is coming are really too good. Everybody is taking it to the new height. I'm so happy to see it.
Very true. So, You started the Women Achievers event, right?
Yes.
And it's still going on.
Yes.
So how did you get that idea of doing it, and what inspired you?
Actually, what happened at that time, Northeast achievements were not that highlighted. So on our first anniversary, we thought that why not highlight our achievers of Northeast.
Correct.
So we started with Women Achievers Award, recognizing their skills in their respective field. So how this is the 18th year, and it's still going strong.
Correct. Exactly.
So I think this is, and our Northeast achievers are being showcased.
Yes.
Even now, Modi ji is also acknowledging our Flow Northeast achievers. So that's the great thing.
Very true. Very true.
And believe me, Ranjana, till now it's a very big event that we always plan. जो भी एक चेयरपर्सन बनता है वो शुरू से एक प्लानिंग शुरू हो जाती है उसकी कि किसको नॉमिनेट करना है, किसको करना है. So till now it is a very big thing, and we are so thankful to you about this कि आज भी वो चलते आ रही है, and it is into I think better and a bigger platform now.
एक्चुअली क्या है कि मेरे को लगता है कि हम लोगों ने नॉर्थ ईस्ट को प्रोजेक्ट किया, इज द मेन थिंग.
जी. और एक सवाल आपसे पूछूंगी. What was a special or the memorable moment as a founder chairperson?
Still being recognized as a founder chairperson of Northeast. And on the first anniversary, it was a very proud moment. Industrial Minister again came for that program, Mr. Pradyut Bardalai, and at that time the president, national president, past national president, incoming president, first and second vice president with their all office bearers were there for this first anniversary of Flow Northeast. So it was a very happy and proud moment for me.
एंड मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा और एक इमोशनल मोमेंट देखा था लास्ट ईयर जब इंटरस्टेट यहाँ पे हुआ विद जयश्रीवा एंड ऑल द डिग्निटरीज केम, ऑल द पास्ट नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट्स. जब हमारा एक इवेंट था जिसमें आपको रिकॉग्नाइज कराया गया था एज अ फाउंडर चेयरपर्सन, तो मैंने ये ऑब्ज़र्व किया इनकी आंखें नम थी खुशी से, प्राउड से कि वहाँ से जर्नी आज तक. इसके बारे में कुछ मतलब मैं खुद उस टाइम एक इमोशनल मोमेंट में आ गई थी कि येस, इट्स अ वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट.
यस, एक्चुअली अब तुम जब जो चीज़ छोटी सी स्टार्ट करते हो और जब वो इतनी उन्नति करती है ना, तो यू फील सो प्राउड. मेरे को लगा कि मैं जिस छोटी सी एक चीज़ मैंने स्टार्ट की और आज देखो ये कितना मतलब नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक तो सिंबल हो गया, एंड एवरीबडी रिकॉग्नाइज इट. सो दैट्स द सो आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ इट.
नहीं, सच में हमें भी उस टाइम बहुत फील हुआ कि येस, हाँ, इट वॉज अ प्राइड मोमेंट. एवरी जर्नी हैज़ द मोमेंट बिहाइंड द सीन, अनटोल्ड स्टोरीज. आपकी कुछ ऐसी अपने उस टेन्योर में जो आपकी एक हिडन पार्ट या अनसेड रह गई?
एक्चुअली क्या उस टाइम में लॉजिस्टिक्स वेर नॉट दैट गुड, सो एट दैट टाइम थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्टीज आई during my tenure, when all the dignitaries came from Delhi. So to manage everything, it was a challenge.
Obviously, we can understand. We can understand that would have been really a challenging moment for her.
So I heard that during your leadership, you have adopted a village.
Yes.
What about that?
If I'm not wrong,
Yes.
then the president, Mrs. Anuradha Goyal, emphasized on working rural areas of India.
Okay.
So we adapted a village called Cutting Pahad near IT, at the backside of ITA,
Okay.
along with RGVN. And with other we did many programs over there, but we gave vocational training to 15 girls and boys in stitching and leather work with NSIC.
Okay.
So it brought us closure. It brought us closure to understand rural area, rural India, and then we are still working with NSCI, RGVN, and MSME.
So that village is still there? I mean,
It is still there, but
working?
now it's self-sufficient.
ना तो इस तरह से देखा जाए तो ललिता जी, जैसे हमारा रामधेनु स्किलिंग सेंटर जो अभी चल रहा है, तो हम शुरुआत में तो हमने काफ़ी मेहनत करी सेटअप करने में, बट आज इतना सेल्फ सफिशिएंट वो भी है कि पीपल आर अर्निंग फ्रॉम देयर. सो आपने भी लेदर का शुरू किया और देखिए वो भी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट हैं.
हाँ, they are मतलब कि they are doing well, I think so.
जी.
I'm very happy to know कि उसका खुद ही अपने आप डेवलपमेंट हो गया. That area is developed. But
ये तो मैंने अपनी नज़रों से खुद देखा है कि मैंने ऑब्ज़र्व किया है कि जैसे वो आते हैं और कुछ ही महीनों बाद उनका जब अपना अर्निंग शुरू हो जाता है, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आता है उनमें.
You took Northeast to the national stage by awarding two eminent personalities,
Yes.
right? Filmmaker Manju Barua and weaver Madhu Jain.
Yes.
How did you make this happen and take the Northeast to a national platform?
You know, this flow was honoring 25 women achievers
Yes.
in the field of entrepreneurship on its silver jubilee. So they asked us, they approached us that can you suggest two of your leading ladies that are doing a tremendous job in their field. So we suggested Mrs. Manju Bora and Mrs. Madhu Jain. She Manju Bora is an eminent film producer.
Yes, yes.
And our member, Madhu Jain is our member, flow
Yeah, yeah.
member. So she is an entrepreneur in the field of weaving.
Silk sarees, yes.
That is how we reached national, and they both of them are still doing tremendous job on their field.
Yes.
Madhuji and Manjuji, I think they bagged too many awards still now. So, and Madhuji always showcased her this weaving when there's a program in Delhi. So that way we reached national.
I know. And how do you feel today about being a part of the Flow family? And after all these years, like you have been, you are still the member. So how do you feel about it?
I feel proud,
Uh-huh.
honored
Yes, very true.
to be the part of such a prestigious organization
Yeah,
which works for the empowerment of women from the grass level.
very true.
हम अपने देखने वाले दर्शकों को ये भी बता दें, अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग अ चेयरपर्सन, फाउंडर चेयरपर्सन ऑफ फ्लो नॉर्थ ईस्ट, इनके अपने भी बहुत कुछ हैं. शी इज़ अ डायनामिक मल्टी टैलेंटेड वुमन. यू आर द चेयरमैन ऑफ SL ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज, zonal chairperson of Friends of Tribal Society Northeast, Vice President of Chinmay Mission Guwahati and Vice President of Chinmay Vidyalaya Guwahati. इतना टैलेंट, इतना टाइम, ये कहाँ से लाते हो आप?
वो कहावत है
एक
ना,
कमिटमेंट भी तो एक बात होती है.
वो कहावत है ना, जहाँ चाहा वहाँ राह.
जी.
I give priority to the work that needs my attention first and then work accordingly. And my late husband was my son Manish, and my family is my biggest strength and support.
So, विदाउट फैमिली और विदाउट कुछ तो हमें समझ ही सकते
देखो
हो.
सपोर्ट तो चाहिए
जी, बहुत ज़रूरी है.
And my late husband was a real worker, social worker. He was being recognized. मतलब कोई ये नहीं है कि खाली मारवाड़ी कम्युनिटी में, एसमीज में, जहाँ भी तुम बोलो, everybody knew him, and he was the person who pushed me.
Managing so many roles in this industry, apart from then being a mother, आप बहू भी रह चुकी होंगी, मदर, अब सास, अब दादी, मैनेजिंग सो मेनी रोल्स एक में, मतलब आपसे तो सीखना चाहिए बहुत कुछ.
बस प्रभु करवा देता.
So, और अब एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन में, what would you think or like to share with the current and the future member of Flow Northeast who are carrying forward the legacy you began with?
Believe in yourself. A quote from Bharat Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Speak 5 lines to yourself every morning. I'm the best. I can do it. God is with me. I'm the winner and today is my day.
So that is the power of manifestation and I think it has come true also. कल के सपनों से आज का सच बनता है और आज के कदम कल की कहानी लिखते हैं. फ्लो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का ये सफ़र इस बात का सबसे बड़ा सबूत है and we are so thankful to you, Lalita ji. Thank you
I'm
so much for being here.
I'm so
Thank you
grateful.
so much.
Such a pleasure to have you here.
And it was such a pleasure to speak about my journey.
आशीर्वाद दीजिए हमें भी कि
खुश
कुछ
रहो भैया.
कर सके.
And खूब रश्मि are doing tremendous job. मैं
so
तो मैं
much,
आती
Lalita
नहीं
ji.
हूँ तो क्या हुआ, मैं पढ़ती हूँ, देखती हूँ, बट मैंने कहा ना जैसे कि प्रायोरिटीज जहाँ जो ज़्यादा होती है वहाँ पे मैं करती जाती हूँ. It's like that.